Hey y'all, eero Guy here. Within this video I'm going to show you how to wall mount an Amazon eero or how to ceiling mount an Amazon eero. Now in this box right here I've got the mount that I'm going to use to mount my eero. I'm using an eero 6 Plus, but this is also available for eero 6 and other models of eero as well. In this scenario I'm in a basement. I've poorly temporarily positioned the eero and the associated cabling. We're going to clean up the cabling, and we're also going to mount the eero to the ceiling in the basement. And I'm going to show you step by step how this is, because the last thing you want is an eero or anything else precariously mounted like that, because it could fall on somebody's head. It could fall on a raccoon's head. If you haven't subscribed to my channel here, you can check out my raccoon videos playlist. This is the home of George Cooney the raccoon, arguably the most famous raccoon in the world. So imagine if George Cooney came into this garage area and the eero came off of the duct tape or whatever and fell and hit him. That would be very confusing to try to explain to George Cooney the raccoon's agent, why he couldn't come back to work. Well, an eero fell on his head. That's not acceptable. Let's go ahead and jump right in here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to mount this sucker. So the first thing we're going to do here is remove the poorly installed Cat 8 network cabling and also the poorly installed eero. That was a zip tie. Now we're going to take the duct tape down here. And that will enable us to access the eero. So this excess of cable we're going to address here in a minute, but let's get the eero first. The first thing to do is unplug the eero from the power. And then this cable, which is the eero's power cable, we're going to route after we connect the eero. Okay, so I've got a couple of wood screws here. I'm going to finger tighten one of the wood screws just to have it stay in place here. So we'll grab the eero. The ports are in the back, which are going to go down. So you're going to position your eero like that within the bracket. And then we're going to plug in. For this, we're going to have to do some cable management. So now what we got to do is cable management. Make sure everything's clean. We're going to create what's called a service loop. And this just means there's extra cable from where I ran it from the data center here. See, there's that. And now what you can do is plug in your network and then plug in your power, and then this extra, well, so there it is, it's suspended. None of the cables are going to fall. We've got, I tell you what, for good measure, I'll add a second tack for the cable. I mean, we could even, if we wanted to, we could even take it, take it up here, see? Now that's not going anywhere. So that is how to neatly mount an eero. So I'll give you the up close view here. There it is. Out of sight, securely mounted, and my cables are, the extra length is neatly zip tied, and it's available if I ever need to move this around by a few feet in the future. Maybe I get a different type of eero and they come out with even faster. But that's how to securely mount an eero to your ceiling or wall, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online, all of the equipment. Thanks for your viewership and have a good day. And if this video was really helpful, send me a super thanks. You can choose to do that. Click the thanks button below this video. Not required, but appreciated. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, eero Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.